Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to solve this quadratic equation and we are going to use a method of splitting the middle term. We are supposed to solve for x and they have given to us 10x squared plus 9x plus 2. This is equal to 0. We know a quadratic equation is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. This is equal to 0. We are going to compare the coefficient. We are going to get a is equal to 10, b is equal to 9, and c is equal to 2. First of all, we are going to find AC, which is equal to A is equal to 10, that is 10 multiplied by C, which is equal to 2. So AC is equal to 20. Then we are going to find the factors of AC. So factors of AC, which is equal to 20. The factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20 itself. Among these factors, we are going to find two factors, P and Q, such that P multiplied by Q, this is equal to AC, which is equal to 20, and P plus Q, this is equal to a middle term, that is 9. The factor that satisfies this condition is 4 and 5. So factors are 4 and 5. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Now we can split the middle term. That is going to be 10x squared plus 5x plus 4x plus 2. This is equal to 0. We can group our terms into two. From the first group, we can factor 5x. In 10x squared, we are going to remain with 2x plus, we factor out 5x, we are going to remain with 1. Here I'm going to factor out 2. I'm going to remain with 2x plus 1. This is equal to 0. Here, I'm going to factor out the common factor, that is 2x plus 1. I'm going to remain with 5x plus 2. This is equal to 0. Now let us solve for the values of x. 2x plus 1, this is equal to 0, and 5x plus 2, also this is equal to 0. Let us start with 2x plus 1 equal to 0. That is 2x is equal to minus 1. I'll divide by 2, I'll divide by 2, by 2, 1, by 2, 1. X is equal to minus 1 over 2. Let us take the second equation. 5x plus 2, this is equal to 0. Bring 2 to the right hand side. We have 5x is equal to minus 2. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. By 5, 1. By 5, 1. We get x is equal to minus 2 over 5. So the value of x is equal to minus 1 over 2 or minus 2 over 5. I hope you understand this question. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.